Hello everyone, it's the Lilac Bunny, and today I'm going to show you all how to make this mushroom charm out of polymer clay. Before we begin, I want to let you all know that this video is in collaboration with WaterLilyCharms. We agreed to do a collaboration by doing clay tutorials with the theme being cute, of course. So if you want to check out her channel, I'll put the link in the description box below. First, take some tan colored clay, roll it into a ball, and flatten it a little to make the base of your mushroom. Next, if you want to make a face, use some micro marbles or black clay to add the eyes. Now, use some pink pastels or pearlescent powder to add the blush. To make the top part of your mushroom, use some red clay to make a dome shape. Now, place the dome of your mushroom on top of your base. If you want to make this a charm, this is around the time when you would add your eye pin. Use white clay to add the spots. Now, bake according to your instructions. Now, glaze your charm. And you're all done! Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and make sure to check out WaterLilyCharms' collaboration video in the description box below. I'll see you soon! Bye!